Welcome to another case study. Today, we're diving deep into YouTube, a platform that revolutionized how we consume video content and became the largest TV company in the world, reaching 2.6 billion active users. Stick around to discover how YouTube transformed from a small idea into a global powerhouse and what we can learn from its journey. The birth of YouTube. In 2005, three former PayPal employees, Javed Karim, Steve Chen, and Chad Hurley, faced a simple yet frustrating problem. After attending a party, they found it difficult to share videos due to email limitations. This inconvenience sparked the creation of YouTube, initially intended as a video sharing platform for everyday moments. However, the platform's true potential became apparent after a controversial video involving Justin Timberlake and Janet Jackson highlighted the need for unrestricted content sharing. This event underscored the demand for a platform that allowed users to upload, share, and discover videos effortlessly. YouTube's business model. YouTube operates on a platform-based business model, distinguishing itself from project-based models like traditional TV networks or film production companies. Here's how it works. Content creation. YouTube provides the infrastructure, while content creators supply the videos. Monetization. Revenue is generated through ads, premium memberships, and partnerships. User engagement. Users can interact through likes, comments, and subscriptions, creating a robust ecosystem where everyone, creators, advertisers, and viewers, benefits. This shared economy ensures that all parties are satisfied, fostering a sustainable and scalable business model. Challenges and solutions. Like any pioneering platform, YouTube faced significant hurdles. Early challenges included managing copyright issues and content moderation. Over time, YouTube developed sophisticated algorithms to identify and remove infringing content, ensuring compliance while enhancing user experience. YouTube versus traditional media. Unlike traditional TV, YouTube offers personalized content, allowing viewers to choose what they want to watch and when. This flexibility, combined with interactive features, makes YouTube a more engaging and appealing platform. Future prospects. YouTube continues to evolve, exploring new frontiers like podcasting and NFTs. These innovations aim to diversify content offerings and provide creators with more tools to monetize their work, keeping YouTube at the forefront of the digital content revolution. YouTube's journey from a simple video sharing site to a global media giant is a testament to the power of innovation and adaptability. Its success underscores the importance of solving real-world problems and continually evolving to meet user needs. If you enjoyed this case study, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to us for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments which case study you'd like to see next. Your feedback helps us create the content you love.